Good morning, everybody. In last class, we have started with valuation of goodwill. We have three methods in valuation of goodwill, that is average profit method, super profits method, and capitalized method. So we have completed how to value the goodwill under average profit method. So today we will be learning about how to calculate the goodwill under super profits method. So super profit method, with the example we will start. Take a problem. So this is the problem. Take a screenshot of it and write it in your notes. So here, the books of a business showed that the capital employed on December 31st, 2015, rupees 5 lakh, and the profits for the last 5 years were 2010 40,000, 2012 50,000, 2013 55,000, 2014 70,000, and 2015 85,000. You are required to find out the value of goodwill based on 3 years purchase of the super profits of the business, given that the normal rate of return is 10%. So here they have given the capital employed and all. So while we are calculate the super profit method, first we have to calculate normal profits. So let us calculate the normal profit first. The formula for calculating normal profit is capital employed into normal rate of return divided by 100. Normal rate of return divided by 100. So normal profit, capital employed they have given 5 lakh in the problem. So what is the normal rate of return then? They have given as 10%. So 5 lakh into 10 divided by 100 is 50,000. So we have calculated normal profit. So 50,000 is our normal profit. Now we have to calculate average profits. As usual, they have given, they have given 5 years profit, that is 2011 40,000, 2012 50,000, 2013 55,000, 2014 70,000, 2015 85,000. This is a given in problem. So the total of all the profits is 3 lakh. How many years? 5 years. So average profit is equals to total profit divided by number of years, that is 3 lakh divided by 5. So we get 60,000 rupees. So we have now calculated normal profit and average profit. Then what is the super profit? Super profit is nothing but average profit minus normal profit. So average profit minus normal profit. Average profit is 60,000. Normal profit we have calculated 50,000. So 60,000 minus 50,000 is 10,000. So this is our super profit now. So how to calculate goodwill? Goodwill is equals to super profit into number of years of purchase. So 10,000 into 3, that is 30,000. Okay. So goodwill is equals to super profit into number of years of purchase. So 10,000 super profit into 3, the number of purchase here. So 30,000 is our goodwill. That's all. Now let us see the second problem when capital employed is not given, what we have to do. So take a problem. This is the problem. The capital, take a screenshot of the problem and write it down in your notes. Illustration 13. The capital of the firm of Anu and Binu is rupees 1 lakh and the market rate of interest is 15%. Annual salary to partners is rupees 6,000 each. So the profits for the last 3 years were 30,000, 36,000, 42,000. Goodwill is to be valued at 2 years purchase of the last 3 years average super profit. Calculate the goodwill of the firm. So now they have given the capitals and the market rate of interest, annual salary, the profits for 3 years and 2 years purchase of last 3 years average super profit. We have to calculate the goodwill of the firm. Now to calculate normal profit, how we have to calculate? See. They have given the interest of capital, that is the capital of Anu and Binu is 1 lakh. What is the rate of interest? That is 15%. So 15% of capital is 15,000. So next they have given a partner salary, annual partner salary, that is 6,000 each. So 6,000 each they have given. We have 2 partners. So 6,000 into 2, 12,000. So when we add this, we will get a normal profit. That is 15,000 plus 12,000 is equals to 27,000. Understood the normal profit? Okay, now let us calculate the average profit. They have given average profit of 3 years, that is 30,000 plus 36,000 plus 42,000, that is 1,08,000 divided by 3 years. So 36,000 is our average profit. Now super profit. Super profit is nothing but average profit minus normal profit. Our average profit is 36,000. Our normal profit is 27,000. So 36,000 minus 27,000 is equals to 9,000. So we have calculated normal profit, average profit and super profit. Now let us calculate the goodwill. So this is our goodwill. Goodwill is equals to super profit into numbers of years purchased. So our super profit is 9,000. So number of years purchased is 2. 9,000 into 2 is equals to 18,000. That's all. This is under super profit method. Now let us see about the capitalization method. The third method, which is capitalization method. So the formula for goodwill under capitalization method is goodwill is equals to super profit into 100 divided by normal rate of return. Okay. Now let us solve a problem so that we'll understand it. So this is the problem. Take a screenshot of it and write it in your notes. The goodwill of a firm is to be worked out at 3 years purchase. So 3 years purchase of average profits of the last 5 years, which are as follows. So they have given last 5 years profits and losses. First one. The second point. The capital employed of the firm is rupees 1 lakh and normal rate of return is 8%. The average profits for last 5 years are 12,000 and goodwill is to be worked out at 3 years purchase of super profit. So first one is different, second one is different. In second one directly they have given us the average profits and the capital employed. Next, third one. Rama Brothers earn an average profit of rupees 30,000 with a capital of rupees 2 lakh. The normal rate of return in the business is 10%. Use capitalization of super profits method, work out the value of goodwill of the firm. So this is the question. Take a screenshot of it and write it in your notes. So now let us solve the problem. So we'll go one by one. First, second, third. So first one. So they have given the total profits for us for the 5 years. So 10,000, that box. Okay. 10,000 plus 15,000 plus 4,000 plus 6,000, and in the 2016 they have 2015 they have a loss. So positives and all profits and all we have added and the loss we have deducted. So 30,000 is our total profit. So average profit is equal to 30,000 divided by number of years, that is 5 years. So 30,000 divided by 5 is equals to 6,000. So we have then we have to calculate goodwill for the first one, that is 6,000 into number of years of purchase, that is 3 years they have given. 6,000 into 3 is equals to 18,000. So this is the solution for first point. We have calculated total profit. Next we have calculated average profit and goodwill. Now second one. So directly they have given the average profit in the problem, that is 12,000, and normal profit is equals to 1 lakh, that is the capital employed, into normal rate of return, that is 8 divided by 100. So normal profit is equals to 1 lakh into 8 divided by 100, that is 8,000. Now super profit. Super profit is equals to average profit minus normal profit. So 12,000 minus 8,000 is equals to 4,000. So what is goodwill? Goodwill is equals to super profit into number of years of purchase. So 4,000 into 3, number of years of purchase is 3. Super profit is 4,000. So 4,000 into 3 is equals to 12,000. So this is the answer for second point. Now third point. In third point they have given us the normal profit as with a capital of rupees 2 lakh and the rate of normal rate of return is 10%. So 2 lakh into 10% is equals to 20,000. So now we have calculated normal profit. So super profit. Super profit is equals to average profit minus normal profit. Average profit they have given directly, that is 30,000 minus normal profit is 20,000 we have calculated. So our super profit is 10,000. Next, goodwill under capitalization method, super profit into 100 divided by normal rate of return. This is the formula under capitalization method to value the goodwill. So super profit we have calculated 10,000 into formula 100 divided by the normal rate of return is 10% they have given. So 10,000 into 100 by 10 is equals to 1 lakh rupees is our goodwill. So this is under capitalization method. So in the next, this will be the end of this session. In next class we will be learning about how to treat a goodwill under premium method and the revaluation method. So in the next class we will see. Thank you.